Hi everybody. So I know it's been quite a while since I've done a video. I ended up having my hard drive crash, break, couldn't recover any of the files. So I lost like all the videos I'd been editing and all the videos I'd taken, and so it's taken me a little bit to kind of, feel like doing it again, because I don't know. It was just, I was in a weird headspace after it happened. I lost a bunch of other work too, like I lost a bunch of business stuff like spreadsheets and things I needed for running my business, and I lost all of my books I'd been writing, and yeah, anyways, so I kind of took a little bit of a break, but I have gotten a new hard drive. It actually works better and faster than my old one, which is cool, and I figured I'd get back into doing some videos, and that's kind of a life update for me. So in this video, we're actually going to be doing a raku. So originally when I first started recording this video, I had footage of me throwing the pieces. I had footage of me trying porcelain for the first time. I tend to stick in stoneware, and so I thought it would be kind of a fun video to see how I did with throwing porcelain, because it's just a little bit different than throwing stoneware. It's a little bit more persnickety and softer and stuff. So, and those were a lot of the videos I lost, was me kind of going through all of that. So this video, me doing the raku with, you know, my mom, my dad, my husband. There's not like going to be a whole lot more to this video just because I did lose a lot of the footage I had taken. But I did want to do raku because I wanted to try a porcelain versus a stoneware. And like I said, I don't have any footage about me doing the sodium silicate and the mica or doing porcelain for the first time. I lost all of that when my hard drive died. So yeah.
Yep. Sorry guys for me yapping in your ears. Careful.
That answers your question. Yes, you do get a big ball of heat when you open that thing.
Oh, that one cracked. That's a big crack.
Did it?
Yeah, that's okay.
Some emu.
You want to give me yours? I'll test it and see how it goes. Yeah, that's good. Woo.
That smells awful.
But it looks pretty.
It looks very pretty.
Focus on that.
Sorry, I
That's
think I
okay.
did that.
That's okay.
Put too much in one spot. That's my fault.
It's okay.
We're learning.
This one isn't the porcelain, so. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Still pretty though.
The little sealer on the inside and call it a flower.
Flower pot, yeah.
Yep.
Or a pin cup.
There you go, yeah.
They do say that it's important to put yourself into your work.
Quite literally.
That's what ears when we need some hair.
I have done blood before. I've had blood in my pieces before. See how you do. Is it focusing?
Seems like it. You're asking maybe the worst person in the world.
I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it wasn't so much of a teaching video. I was planning on doing more of that and then lost the footage, so I apologize. But I hope you enjoyed it anyways. I hope it was kind of just a fun thing to watch. You know, and it's always kind of fun to have my mom come because she knows a little bit about pottery just because I talk about it so much, but she's not as into it as I am, and so it's kind of fun to hear her thoughts and outside opinions of somebody who's not in the pottery world, you know, as much. So that was kind of fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Really quick announcement before I go. My Patreon is changing, and so if you are watching this video and assuming that my Patreon is going to be me teaching pottery, is no longer that. I'm actually, I'm not charging for August, so if you're curious about it or you want to try it out, now would be a good time, because I'm just kind of experimenting, changing things around, and I just felt it wasn't fair to charge people when I'm not being super consistent with it. I just wanted to give that update because I know that I have been promoting that on this channel, and I did at one point do a lot more teaching stuff with my Patreon, but I have recently discovered after doing YouTube for 2 years and doing a lot of online teaching that I don't enjoy it. It's not my favorite. I'd rather do workshops and teach in person. I like being able to pick up on what people need, what they want, what, you know, the in-person conversations and things like that are really how I teach best. So I am kind of moving away from doing a lot of teaching online. So my Patreon is going to be more geared towards my customers. You know, tea loving, fantasy loving nerds is basically kind of what I'm doing. So if you're still interested, you can feel free to check it out. Like I said, August is free, so you can kind of test it out and see what you feel like. But I did want to make that announcement, so if you were thinking about joining or whatever and you're like, wait, this isn't the same thing. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.